At 6.
Will a decommissioned Metro police officer charged with homicide have his case go before a grand jury? A judge will decide that on Monday. Day 2 of the hearing for Andrew Delkey wrapped up earlier today. News Channel 5's Brandon Marshall was there for the closing arguments. And Brandon, I'm sure it was another emotional day in court.
Emotional indeed, Emily. While listening to those closing arguments, Daniel Hambrick's mother sat quietly next to her attorney and family, crying as she had to relive the final moments of when her son was shot and killed by the now decommissioned officer. And across the courtroom, family and officers not in uniform sat behind Andrew Delkey. While listening to those closing arguments, the state said Delkey made the conscious decision to stop, shoot, and to kill Hambrick, who was running away during a foot chase. The defense argued it's up to the state to prove the shooting was unlawful. Hear what else was said by both attorneys to the judge.
There's only one number, and one number only, that's important in this case. And that's the number of seconds it took Delkey to dismount from his vehicle to the time of the shooting. And if you look at the time on the videos, it's 40 seconds.
But the bottom line is this: any person in Davidson County who shoots someone who is running away from them, shoots them in the back and kills them, needs to be held accountable.
Coming up at 10, we'll have a full recap of Day 2's pre-trial hearing, and we'll also hear from the victim's family's attorney. Outside of the Birch building tonight, Brandon Marshall, News Channel 5.